What's up, guys? Welcome back. First of all, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas to you guys and all your families. I hope you guys had a great year, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas also, which is very important. We're about to finish the year. 1 week left to finish the year. 2018 will be done. So new year, new ideas. I will try all new colors. I will try different ideas. I will try customize different things so you guys can see how it looks. All the new colors, and so that will be very different options for you guys. I'm about to do something really crazy. I will be attempting for the first time in my life. I've never seen anybody doing, and I don't know how it's gonna look because I've never done before. So I will try in my own car to make something really unique. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn your notifications on, because when I do the car, I will post a video straight away to YouTube and you guys can get a notification and watch the video. So it will be a different option, and like I said, if it goes right, it will be very unique and it will look absolutely amazing. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and have a lovely one.